You could get arrested at the airport for something sitting in your backpack right now. I'm not talking about a weapon you tried to sneak past security, and I'm definitely not talking about something you bought on the dark web. I am talking about everyday items, things you use in your kitchen, your office, or your daily commute that turn into legal nightmares the second you step into an international terminal. Imagine landing in your dream destination, exhausted from an 8-hour flight, only to be pulled out of the line by 3 armed officers. They take your passport, they escort you to a windowless room, and suddenly your vacation is over before it started. It happens every single day. Just last month, a tourist in Mexico was detained for carrying a specific type of electronic device. A grandmother entering Australia was slapped with a fine equivalent to $2,000 because she forgot a single piece of fruit in her purse. These aren't criminals, they are normal travelers who didn't know the rules had changed. You need to pay attention because 2026 is a turning point. Airports are rolling out AI-driven scanners, biosecurity laws are tightening globally, and carry-on luggage rules 2026 are stricter than we have ever seen. If you don't know what to look for, you are walking into a trap. Stay until the end of this video because number 1 is an item millions of travelers carry every day without realizing it is technically a concealed weapon in the eyes of airport security. And we are here to save you time, money, and a potential criminal record. This isn't about terrorism or clear dangers. This is about the gray areas that regular people get caught in. We are going to look at the new TSA prohibited items and international restrictions that are catching people off guard right now. However, before we dive into the list, I have to give you a very important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a lawyer and I am not a customs official. Laws vary wildly by country, by airline, and even by the specific terminal you are in. Always, and I mean always, check the official government website of the country you are visiting before you pack. Let's get into it. Here are the 10 carry-on items that can get you fined or arrested in 2026. Number 10, lithium batteries and power banks over the limit. You probably know you can't check loose lithium batteries, but did you know your carry-on power bank could still get confiscated or earn you a fine? In 2026, the scrutiny on lithium-ion batteries is at an all-time high due to fire risks. Almost every airline follows the IATA regulations, which generally cap your batteries at 100 watt-hours. If your laptop charger or portable power bank exceeds this, which many high-capacity Pro chargers do, it goes in the trash. But it gets worse. Security agents are now looking for swollen batteries. If your old power bank is slightly puffy or the casing is cracked, they will consider it a hazardous material. You will be forced to surrender it immediately, and if you argue, that is a security violation. Also, watch out for smart luggage with non-removable batteries. If you can't pop the battery out, that expensive suitcase isn't getting on the plane. Thousands of dollars in electronics are tossed into bins every day because travelers didn't read the fine print on watt hours. Number 9, self-defense items. This is where logic fails many travelers. You carry pepper spray, a taser, or a tactical pen for your personal safety. You think, I'm not a threat, I just want to be safe when I land. The TSA and international security do not care about your intent. In the cabin of an airplane, pepper spray is considered a chemical weapon. A taser is a prohibited incapacitating device. Even tactical pens, those heavy-duty metal pens with a glass breaker tip, are classified as bludgeoning instruments. If you are caught with brass knuckles on your keychain or a cat-shaped self-defense striker, you aren't just losing the item. Depending on the state or country, you could face a hefty fine for attempting to bring a weapon through a checkpoint. In some strict jurisdictions like the UK or Hong Kong, carrying these items can lead to immediate police involvement. Do not risk it. If you need protection at your destination, buy it when you get there. Number 8, certain medications without proper documents. This is the fastest way to turn a medical necessity into a drug trafficking charge. You might think your prescription is valid everywhere, but in 2026, cross-border drug laws are extremely strict. Medications common in the US like Adderall for ADHD or opiate-based painkillers are illegal in Japan, the UAE, and Singapore. To them, you aren't a patient, you're smuggling stimulants or narcotics. Japan is known for banning pseudoephedrine, the ingredient in Sudafed, and travelers have been detained for carrying cold medicine. Since electronic health records aren't connected worldwide, you need physical proof, the original bottle with your name, a hard copy prescription, and ideally a doctor's note. Without that paper trail, your pills stay at the airport and you might stay in a holding cell. Number 7, oversized liquids that aren't toiletries. Everyone knows the 311 rule, but misunderstandings still lead to fines. In 2026, new CT scanners have created a rumor that liquid limits are gone. This is dangerous misinformation. Most major hubs still follow old rules, and if you connect through one, oversized liquids will be confiscated. Spreadables like peanut butter, soft cheese, jams, and even damp beach sand count as liquids. The biggest trap is duty-free confusion. Buy a large bottle of perfume or liquor, then hit a secondary security checkpoint without the correct tamper-evident bag and visible receipt, and that expensive bottle is gone. Don't lose a $100 purchase over a plastic bag technicality. Number 6. High-powered laser pointers. This seems like a harmless tool or cat toy, but aviation authorities take lasers seriously. In 2026, EU and Australian rules tighten because people have been shining lasers at cockpits during landing. A laser without a safety sticker or one over the legal power limit, like many cheap imports, is treated as an aviation threat. In Australia, possessing a high-powered laser without a valid reason is a criminal offense with massive fines. You do not want to explain why you're carrying something capable of blinding a pilot. Number 5. Certain foods and agricultural products. This is the top reason for on-the-spot fines. Grab an apple, jerky, or a leftover sandwich and land in the US, Australia, or New Zealand without declaring it, and you're in trouble. Biosecurity is a 2026 priority to stop invasive pests. One woman was fined nearly $2,000 for a Subway sandwich. Another got hundreds for an apple from a flight attendant. Sniffer dogs are trained to find that forgotten fruit. If unsure, declare it or toss it. No snack is worth the fine. Number 4. Vapes and e-cig devices. Vaping is normal in the West, but treated like a hard drug in Thailand, Singapore, Qatar, and parts of India, where e-cigarettes are banned. Possession can mean fines up to 30,000 baht or jail, and officials don't care if it's for personal use or if you were unaware of the law. With more countries cracking down in 2026, traveling with a vape is a gamble with your freedom. Leave it at home. It's not worth deportation or a massive bribe to avoid jail. Number 3. Drones. Content creators love drones, but in 2026, flying legally is strict. Many countries require registration and permits before entry. An unregistered drone in Morocco, Egypt, or India will be confiscated. Clean never returned. LiPo batteries have fireproof rules, and some regions see drones as espionage equipment. You could be detained. Always check laws and be ready to leave the drone at home. Number 2. Cash over legal limits without declaration. Carrying cash isn't illegal, but crossing borders with over $10,000 or local equivalent without declaring it is. Families often split cash, thinking it's under the limit, but customs sees them as a single unit. Dad with $6,000, mom with $6,000 equals $12,000. Over the limit. Undeclared cash can be seized under civil asset forfeiture, possibly never returned, and you'll face lifetime interrogation at airports. Just fill out the form, it's free and keeps you out of trouble. Number 1. Hidden blades and everyday items. This is the most common reason honest travelers get detained. Hidden blades, credit card tools with serrated edges, multi-tools, souvenir letter openers are scanned instantly in 2026. Confiscation is the least of your worries. Carrying a concealed blade can be a criminal offense. You could miss your flight, get fingerprinted, and issued a court summons. The danger is forgetting you have it. Dump your bag, check every pocket and keychain, and don't let a $5 trinket ruin a $5,000 trip. Bonus section, surprisingly allowed items. Nail clippers and tweezers, fine if they have no knife attachment. Disposable razors are allowed, only loose blades are banned. Knitting needles are allowed too, bamboo is safer to avoid frightening seatmates. Travel in 2026 is about preparation. Rules have changed, tech evolved, and security patience is thin. Don't hold up the line, and don't call a lawyer from a holding cell. If this video saved you from a fine or arrest, comment which item shocked you most, the apple, vape, or batteries. Want to know items that can get you banned from a country entirely? Comment part 2 and I will make that list. Safe travels, pack smart, and see you in the next one.